This is a tutorial on the Retrofit ghost hanger. We'll show you a little bit about how we do the application to take a bird that's already on driftwood, remove it from that, and transfer old mounts into ghost hanger mounts. This is one that we took on a 2x4, primed it, and painted it the color that matches the client's wall. So at this time, we will remove the canvas back. I just take some bolt cutters, get the existing wire, cut, remove the bird. Instead of just placing it straight into the bird, I'm going to put this on an angle. I'll just bend the wire down at an angle to where it will accommodate the bird. Now, get the angle that I desire right into the form. Just with some light pressure, push the ghost hanger Retrofit right in. And if you'll look right there, you can see how that was applied. And I'll come around with the front view, grab my bird, just turn the ghost hanger down, Retrofit, and now it's suitable for rehanging with no driftwood.